How to log in Instagram account on Chrome browser. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how we can log into Instagram account on Chrome browser. So without any delay, let's just jump right into it. The first thing is opening up a Chrome browser, and once you open it up, you just need to go ahead and type in Instagram. Once typed in, you'll be finding the results here. So on the very first link, you'll be finding the instagram.com. You can just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you'll be finding this login page. So in order to log in your Instagram account on Chrome browser, you can find login or sign up option. Go ahead and tap on login. And once you are here, in order to log in this first section, in this first box, you just need to enter up your phone number, your username, or your email address. After that, on the second option, go ahead and enter up your password. Once done, tap on this login option, and if you have any verification, you can just go ahead and enter up the 6-digit code you'll be receiving. After that, simply tap on it and you should be able to log in, and after you're logged in, you can be able to use all of the features available from Instagram. So that is it. That is how you log in into Instagram account on Chrome browser by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.